In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert image in LibreOffice Writer. To get started, open LibreOffice on your computer and launch Writer. Once your document is open, take a moment to decide exactly where you want the image to appear. This part is important because wherever your text cursor is placed is where LibreOffice will insert the image. So if you want the picture in the middle of a paragraph, between sections, or at the very top of the page, click in that location first. After placing your cursor, move your attention to the top menu bar, click on Insert, and from the drop-down menu, choose Image. As soon as you do that, your computer's file browser will open. This is where you can navigate through your folders and find the image file you want to add to the document. Go ahead and locate the image you want to use. When you find it, click once to select it, then click Open. You can also simply press Enter on your keyboard after selecting the file, which does the same thing. LibreOffice will then place that image directly into your Writer document at the cursor position you chose earlier. At this point, your image is now in the document. If the size or placement doesn't look exactly right at first, that's normal. The key thing here is that the image has been successfully inserted. You can always adjust it afterward if needed, but the insertion itself is complete as soon as the image appears on the page. One useful tip is to make sure you place the cursor carefully before inserting, especially if you're working in a document with a lot of text. That helps you avoid inserting the image in the wrong section and saves time. Also, if your file browser opens to a folder you weren't expecting, just navigate to the correct location and continue from there. So the full process is very simple. Open LibreOffice Writer, click where you want the image to go, use the Insert menu to choose image, find your file, and open it. Once it appears in the document, you're done. And that's it. You now know how to insert an image in LibreOffice Writer.